Custom Cruises, beautiful kid here. We've got a D&D pipe. This is on a FXRP. See the damage of that thing. So it's got to be like a 4-inch. Big bore headers. Big shields as well. Nice 2-into-1. All Siamesed in properly like it should be. Beautiful bike, actually got the original spec brakes as well, which is pretty unusual. Very cool. FXRs really are the thing to have. This has got the original brakes, twin brakes, just got a pair of radial hoses on it. Original twin disc too. So if you're interested in any great D&D stuff, give us a bell. You can see the guys definitely from Texas. The boss. Big Texan guy. Okay, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com.